Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install and configure Microsoft SQL Server 2019 on Linux Mint 19 operating system. So first step is I am checking the hard disk space. So hard disk space I am having enough space to install SQL Server 2019. So minimum 6 GB of hard disk space is required. And free-m gives you the output how much RAM or how much memory is free. So I am having around 5 to 6 GB free memory. So minimum 1 to 4 GB memory is required, depends upon your database size. Also I have internet connection to download the Debian packages during the installation. Make sure that you have internet connectivity. So this is the directory where I have downloaded the Debian packages. So Linux Mint 19 is compatible with Ubuntu 18.04 long-term support edition packages. So we are going to install Ubuntu 18.04 packages in Linux Mint 19 since it is a flavor of Ubuntu and Debian. So these packages are 100% compatible. So first step is I am going to install MS SQL Server Debian package. Let us see what is going to happen. Yes, so it requires some dependencies. So we need to install these dependencies from repositories. So next step is I am going to update the repository settings. So sudo apt get update, this will gives you the updated repository list. Okay, this much of repositories we are going to use in Linux Mint 19. So it uses Ubuntu 18.04 repository. Yes, so I have updated the repository. Next, I am going to install the packages in single shot. So these much packages are required by SQL Server 2019. So you can see that packages are getting downloaded. So note down the packages name. So in single shot, I am installing. Yes, so here you can see that packages are also got installed, and parallelly MS SQL Server 2019 also got installed. Now it asking me to run this setup command. So I'm copying this command and I'm going to run this. So the setup command will start the setup menu. Yes, this is the setup menu. So I am choosing option number 2, developer edition. So developer edition is a full featured edition which is free to use. Accept the license agreement. So English will be the default language. Next, provide the system administrator password. So password should be in alphanumeric with at least one uppercase letter and with the at least one special character. Okay, now I can able to see that SQL Server is getting configured. Okay, so SQL Server 2019 installation is successful in Linux Mint 19. You can able to see that SQL services is getting started. So you can verify this by running the systemctl status command. So you can see that SQL Server service is up and running. So SQL Server by default use port number 1433. It will occupy port 1431 and 1434 also. Anyway, 1433 is the main port. Okay, next up I am going to install MSSQL-CLI. So MSSQL-CLI is a command line tool. It's an interactive tool. Okay, so this is getting failed now. So it requires some dependent package to be installed. So let me install that dependent package. So I am copying that package name, paste it. Yes, done. So this package is getting downloaded. Parallelly, it will install MSSQL-CLI also. Yes, so MSSQL-CLI is got installed. Dependent package also got installed. Okay, next step is I'm going to install the ODBC packages provided by Microsoft. So these ODBC packages I have downloaded from Microsoft website. Also, I have provided the download link to these packages in description of this video. So please read the description of this video before you proceed to the installation. So in single shot, I am installing all the packages. ODBC drivers. So these are ODBC drivers required by SQL Server 2019. So accept the license agreement. Yes. So all the ODBC driver packages are got installed. Next, I am going to install MSSQL-tools. So this MSSQL-tools provides the command line utility used to connect SQL Server 2019 instances. Accept the license agreement. Yes, it's got installed. So this MSSQL tools is dependent on ODBC drivers. So ODBC drivers need to install first, then only you need to install MSSQL-tools. Otherwise, it will not install. Okay, now let me go to the file system. I'm going to /opt directory. Here you can see that 3 directories are got created. So MSSQL directory contains binaries, executables, and library files to run SQL Server 2019 instance. And MSSQL-tools contains command line utilities like SQL CMD, BCP, and Microsoft folder contains ODBC drivers and libraries. Okay, don't delete these 3 directories. So all these 3 directories are important. So now next step is I am going to point this /opt/MSSQL-tools/bin directory to the profile settings. Okay, I am going to open the profile settings. So here I am going to append the MSSQL-tools/bin directory to the path variable, so that all the command line utilities will be available in the terminal, and you can connect or execute any SQL query from the terminal from anywhere. Okay, save it. Open the terminal. Source dot profile will loads the latest settings updated in profile. So now let us try the SQL CMD utility. So SQL CMD -s localhost -u SA -p. So -p means password. So provide the password whatever you given during the installation. Yes, now I can able to connect SQL Server 2019 instance running. Okay, next I am creating one database. Next step, I am going to use the database. So under this database, I will be creating one table and I am going to insert one record. Finally, I will be selecting that table. So these are the basic testing I am doing during the database installation to check whether everything is working perfect or not. So everything is fine. I can able to create table, insert record and select the table. So SQL Server 2019 installation on Linux Mint 19 operating system is successful. Make sure that you have installed the dependency correctly. So I have used Ubuntu 18.04 Debian packages which are 100% compatible. So now I am shut down the Linux Mint 19 because I am going to take the database offline, which means I am going to disconnect from internet. I don't want internet now because all dependent packages are got installed. So database will be available within the network only. So I am choosing host only adapter. So host only adapter only I am choosing, so that I will get one IP address. So through this IP address only we are going to connect. So let me restart the Linux Mint 19 virtual machine now. Okay, after restarting, I am checking whether IP address is allocated or not. Yes, I have got one IP address. So through this IP address only we are going to connect to SQL Server Management Studio. Okay. Now I am checking the firewall status. Systemctl status UFW will give you the firewall status. So firewall is up and running. So now I am going to unblock the SQL Server 2019 from firewall. So switch as a root user. Okay. So this is the command UFW allow 1433. So 1433 is the main port. So I am unblocking optional port also 1434. So I am unblocked two ports 1433 and 1434. So now we are going to connect SQL Server 2019 running on Linux Mint 19 from SQL Server Management Studio. So make sure that you have installed the latest version of SQL Server Management Studio in order to connect SQL Server 2019 database. So provide the IP address, username and password. Okay, so I can able to connect to the database now, which is running on Linux Mint 19 operating system. Let me select the table. Yes. Let me execute that query. Yes, I can able to select the table. So SQL Server 2019 installation on Linux Mint 19 operating system is successful. Make sure that you have enough hard disk space, at least 6 GB hard disk space is necessary, and 1 GB minimum RAM is needed. And also make sure that you have installed the dependencies correctly.